Hello and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name is Charlotte and today we'll be taking around this approved used, a 2023 model Audi A1 Sportback that is fresh in stock and does come complemented in the desired shell white paintwork. It does house your handy petrol engine and manual transmission, making it an ideal nippy city upgrade for any individual, housing 95 PS and plenty of top features, including LED headlights for enhanced visibility, stylish alloy wheels, and for added protection, your power folding wing mirrors and parking sensors. The boot can easily house any daily essentials, whilst the cloth upholstery offers comfort all round with your fitted ISOFIX points. Stepping into the front, you do have your multifunctional leather steering wheel with access to your central touch display for endless entertainment. And again, you do have your stylish cloth trim in the front, followed by seamless navigation around the vehicle with your various audio controls on the steering wheel, with your options to navigate around your digital cockpit, displaying all of your vital driving data, various audio and even your Bluetooth connection, with the added bonus of your cruise control and speed limiter. Moving across, you do have access to your variation of radio stations and a telephone connection if you do wish to listen to your own preferred audio or make hands-free calls. You do also have further safety features with your driving assistance, including your lane departure warning to reduce the chance of any minor collisions. This is followed just below by your main climate controls, various power outlets, and the added bonus of your central cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.